back again. I hope you enjoy watching paint dry. That's what we've been doing the past month or so. We haven't had decent weather to do it, but welcome back. You just landed on a little video where we're making this wooden airplane with cloth covering out of sticks and some glue, putting a 38 horsepower two-stroke motor on it. We're gonna fly it around like an airplane. Well, that's the idea. But today it's about 60 degrees, Southeast Virginia, sunny. Guess what? A beautiful day. I mean, gorgeous, man. Perfect day, like an early spring day. Anyway, I'm gonna take advantage of it. I got my little paint booth been warming up. I think I'm about 70 degrees in here, maybe 65, 70, which is okay. And I am gonna go ahead and put on this cross coat on these two airlines. And I'm gonna be done with the poly brush. I've been messing with the poly brush for 2 months now, brushing it on, ironing it, and doing all kinds of stuff. Of course, then when I get done, I gotta come back and iron down all the seams again that have popped up and sand down little spots and take some MEK and work it out of spots. Anyway, a lot of finishing left to do. Hope you had a beautiful day, your day. I know everybody in the United States, we've been having a really cold winter. I know we have really had a cold winter here. I think probably God's way of telling me to slow down. I'll figure out why later. I think I know why, but I'll figure out too. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I got air pressure, I got heat, I got my mixture going. And I got a whole half gallon of this mixed up left over, so that's good. I definitely had to buy the other gallon. Woo! All right. Oh, I forgot to pull my hood up. So, might have pink hair, I don't know. Maybe the wife will like that. You never know. Women are funny. These are my last 2 respirator cartridges too, so that worked out pretty good. I'm gonna save this little bit here and probably add some to it. And gotta do the other side. I'm gonna do it tonight. It's already dark here, but I'm gonna keep that heat on. After 6 o'clock, I'm going to I think I'll go eat. When I get done, I'm gonna come back, put the other coat on. And I'll be done with this poly brush. Man, that's a good feeling. Major milestone done. So then I gotta take each piece. I'm still trying to figure out the pattern. I don't know if you've seen all the different AI versions of a paint job I've been working on. I've been putting them on the different pictures on the posts and stuff. But basically it's gonna look like Iron Man red with some gold accents. So we'll see how that goes. It'll be different looking than nothing else. Hope you have a great evening, and hope you enjoy watching the airplane getting built. This is I'm not going to worry about showing you the other half. It looks just like the first half. When you come back, we're going to be painting red latex paint with an electric sprayer, which I've never done before. So that's going to be a learning experience too. Next thing you know, probably 6 months from now, you'll see me all over the house painting with that thing. Who knows? But learned a lot of little stuff working on this airplane here and there. A lot of stuff. Made it interesting. Been hard and tedious. And you guys out there, a lot of you guys out there have been building airplanes and helicopters and all stuff your whole life. You know what I'm talking about. So we'll see you again soon. And sometimes I have a problem here and now and then. You know what I do? I keep looking up. That's where Jesus is at. And you know what? About the most you can do is pray to Him to give you forgiveness and wisdom, and take that and run. So we'll see you again soon. Take care.